White noise, which is like a knockoff of Slender. He's scared shitless right now.
That's pretty freaky.
Don't walk near that thing.
The fuck is that? What is that? What was that?
I don't know, I didn't see it.
Oh my god, no! It's a pin! It's a pin guy! That was his feet. I saw his feet. What the fuck is that? I'm going this way. Fuck this.
Doesn't matter which way you go, he'll find you. And he will kill you.
Oh shit.
It might help if you use your flashlight.
I'm serious.
At least with the flashlight you can see where you're going, Trent.
Shut the fuck up! What the fuck? What is that? What the what?
I think someone joined our game.
Yeah, no shit.
They're ghost mode, they can't help you. I mean they can locate tapes for you, but since we're not talking to them.
I'm going over there. Wow.
The Chinese statue room. There should be a tape in there.
Why does he have a knothead? What the fuck? Are you bitch? Ah! He's right there.
Don't look at him. There's a tape.
Fuck this. I don't want to turn.
I'm surprised you haven't died yet.
I'm scared shitless right now. What the fuck? Why is there a long ass hallway?
You know, maybe if you use your
What
flashlight.
the fucking reason?
You know he appears more in the dark, right?
What?
Yeah, appears more in the dark. Which means your light is your only hope.
Whoa. I fucking hear something. Fuck this guy. Yeah. I can make some gay noises. Homo. Fuck, I fucking hate this guy. He's pissing me off. Yeah. Eat my butt.
I think he's behind you. You can be brave and look.
Motherfucker. Ah! Come on, bitch, get me! Come get me! What is that thing?
The white noise.